Good morning. So I'm just going to do a shorter version of what I've just done, which is a step-by-step guide, just to give people a quick, shorter version. And if you want to go into more detail, go onto our YouTube or our website. You will see videos here with step-by-step guides on how to buy property in Corfu. So first step is, as soon as you make the decision, or even if you're curious about the decision and you want to know more, you call us. That's step number one. We will then set up a consultation with you. Either me or one of my colleagues here in the office will do this for you, whether it's over Zoom or phone call. Here we will gather all relevant information, get to know you personally and what your goals are, so we can help you navigate the market here and help you find a location and property that suits you perfectly. So after this consultation, we will then compile a list of properties that will suit you. So that will be between us and our collaboration agents. So we will take a list of all properties that are available that suit your criteria, and we'll send them to you for your feedback. Once we have this, we will narrow down the list and set up a viewing day or 2 days, it depends, before you arrive in Corfu to make your trip very efficient. Once we find a property that suits you and we help you negotiate and buy this property or formally verbally agree this property, then we will take you on to the next steps. Next step after this is you will pay a small deposit to us or the collaboration agent, generally 5 or 10%. So first step after this is that you will sign a reservation agreement with us or our collaboration agent, where you'll pay a small deposit of €5,000 or €10,000 subject to the value of the property. This takes it off the market but is totally refundable until all legal and technical control is complete. We will connect you to lawyers and engineers who will do the legal and technical control. As soon as all checks are complete, everybody's happy, all documents have been prepared by the engineers, then we will take the file to the notary to prepare for the contract. Subject to the situation, we will be going straight for a final contract or pre-contract, and there's more information on this in the longer version. All you need to buy a property here is a Greek tax number and FME. You do not need a Greek bank account anymore, so it's very straightforward. You can transfer the money from anywhere to the seller's bank account. You can do all of this remotely. You do not have to come to Corfu, but ideally you come here, you look at properties. If you find something you like, we set you up with a lawyer who will take a power of attorney from you, which is signed in the notary's office, to give them a power of attorney to sign contracts or set up Greek tax numbers on your behalf. The cost of this process is around 10% above your 9 to 10% above your purchase price, which is 2% plus VAT for your agent, same for the lawyer, same for the notary and land registry, 3% purchase tax, and then you have €1,500 generally plus VAT for an engineer's report. This process can take 3 to 4 months, or it can take 2 to 3 years. It really depends on the people you have helping you with this process and the situation of the property itself. Average times are 3 to 4 months. If you want more information, check the longer version or contact the team now at chaserealestatecorfu.com. Thank you.